Friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Guys, in today's video, I have a really fascinating and exciting video because I'm proud to present to you LeiaPIX AI. This is an AI platform that allows you to convert your 2D images into stunning 3D animations. How amazing is that? And one of the best thing about this platform is that it is so easy to use. Now guys, I am so excited to share with you how easy it is to use this website. I'm gonna just scroll through the website here. There's not too much on the home page, and that's not a problem because all the good stuff is within the platform, right? So LeiaPIX AI. So how do you get signed up or register to use it? As I said, it's absolutely free to get started and use. You can try it out for free, which is really amazing. So anywhere on the website that you see try for free or sign up for free, you can easily go ahead and do so. So let me click one of these places. So try LeiaPIX for free, and it will take you over, which it first greet you and show you what's new, but then it will greet you with this Immersity AI because this is powered by Immersity AI here, so you can easily sign up and log into this Immersity AI, right? So it's very easy. It's just simple sign up with your Gmail account or create an account, which is pretty straightforward. I'm going to use my Gmail account, so I'm going to click sign in there, log in with my Gmail account, click on continue, and once you're there, you just need to accept the terms there, click on confirm, and then it will redirect you back to this Immersity page, which is where it's going to tell you what's new. Now you can go through this and read through it, but to be honest, if you're just getting started out, this will not make too much sense for you because you can go ahead, log in, and play around with the platform yourself, which is a very easy platform. So click on OK. Now from here, you can go ahead and go through the steps to see how the website works, and it will just guide you to upload the picture, to do an animation and go through it, and step by step you'll have animation of the image that you choose. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on skip for the time being, and then I'm going to click on exit the tour, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how it is used, right? So the first thing is that you need to upload an image. Now I'm going to click on upload. You can drag and drop if you want, and I'm going to simply go ahead and upload an image here. So the first image I'm going to upload here is by simple clicking on this one here, and I'm going to load it. It's something like a club or a party, and for you, you can upload whatever image you want, but this is the type of image that I uploaded. And as you can see right here, immediately it started to give me some really cool animation, and the image has nothing to do with any movement. So I'm going to show you. So let me open up my file explorer here, go to the downloads, and as you can see, it's just a basic image, nothing. But the very moment I load it into this Immersity AI, Leia AI, you will see that it started to do some animation. Now at the top here, you have the upload button. You also have the credits that you have. They give you 100 free credits, and also you have what it can do. You can do 3D animation, or you can do the 3D image, which they showed you what it looked like between the two options here. But we're going to focus on the amazing 3D animation. Now from here, you below you have the animation style. You have loop and you have reverse. Now how do you determine which one you can play around with is based on the different animation style that you choose. So if you choose a vertical, you realize that it changed, and it basically showed you what you can do here, right? So this option basically gives you both, so you can do basically both. You can reverse, or you can loop, or you can only do reverse. It's really up to you. The others, you just have to click through them to see what they can really do, right? And they basically look amazing, right? So this is how you can easily go ahead, guys. Really amazing, right? They look pretty stunning. Some really nice animation there that you can basically bring your images alive. If you look at my images, you realize some distortion there, and I'm going to show you how to fix those, right? But what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose the one that I really like, and this one looks pretty nice, right? So I really like this. Now you can even customize this to your liking, so you can click on custom, and if you scroll on, you can always play around with the different options here. It's really up to you if you want to do manual changes or you want to do the custom changes. For the purpose here, I'm going to simply leave this on the basic settings here so that I can choose the one of those simply animations there. But scrolling down, you have more options here, right? So you have some manual settings here that you can play with, as I mentioned. You have the amount of motion, so you can play around with the amount of motion. The less you bring it down, the more static, or let's say the more 2D your image you get. The more you increase is the more the animation increase, and you can see. However, if you bring up the animation too much, you realize that once it zooms in, you will see that your image is kind of getting like more distorted and it's not looking so nice. So you have to adjust the animation to a level where you can see the animation, you can feel the animation, but it is still looking pretty nice, right? Coming down to the next section here is the animation length. The animation length determines the speed of the video. So this one is currently at 8 seconds. If you bring it up to 10 seconds, then you realize the animation gets slower. If you reduce the animation in seconds, the animation get much more faster, as you can see there. So less seconds you put is the faster the animation is, and the more seconds you put up is the, let's say, slower the animation gets, right? So it's really up to you. Focus point is something that you can play around with. You can choose close and you will see what it does to the image there. So it's really up to you. You want to do it. You just have to feel the nice balance or find the nice balance for that image that you want to set up here in 2D, right? So edge deletion is basically, you will see if you put the edge deletion down, you release the edges of the animation or the picture here don't look so smooth. So you want to find the best spot as well, or the smooth spot as well, to make your animation, the image in your animation, much more smoother. I found it to be between 80 to 100, which is the sweet spot, and my image just looks really nice. So anywhere between 80 to 100, always looking pretty smooth, right? You also have a section called depth map. You can play around with it, right? Let me click got it there, and you can basically put around the edges that you want, and you can always preview what it looks like, right? So you can preview what it looks like. If you don't like it, you can always discard the depth map and leave it the way you want. No, guys, if you scroll all the way down, as I said in a nutshell, that's basically it. And you can make some really nice animation to your pictures, right? So I'm going to go ahead and try to upload another picture here, as you can see. So I'm going to click on upload, and I'm going to upload the second one here, and just to see what else I can do with this, because I'm really liking it, right? I hope you're liking it too as well. Have a look at that, guys. It just looks so freaking amazing. Really, I love it. I really love playing with this tool, because at times you just get to see some really interesting things that you never thought that that the image could bring alive so much, if you understand what I mean, right? So you can really do so much with the image, right? So if you have a static image or 2D image that you like to bring alive for whatever purpose, you can basically do that. So as I said, you can go through multiple different things here and you can play with it. And once you're finished, guys, all you have to do is just simply click on export. You can choose if you want to export it as an MP4 3D animation or a 3D GIF or PNG depth. You can choose to do so, but I'm going to do a 3D motion here, right? So I need the animation video. So once you're done, click on next. It's going to ask you what type of, let's say, quality you want. So you can do the limited quality, which you'll get watermarks and you're not going to use commercial and so forth. You have the plus as well, which you will you will not have watermark, and you can use it for commercial purposes as well. And you have the different quality. If you click on the tier quality, it will show you that you can buy some more pricing. You can buy more coins here, let's put it like that. 500 coins basically cost $5, 1200 for $10. So not so bad, right? So you can basically choose what you want, and of course you have the different tiers here that you see what you get, right? Now let me just go back. Now in terms of the download, as I said, you can choose what you want, and once you choose basically what you want, you just need to go ahead and click on next. You also have the custom, which you can go here as well and make sure and do the custom that you want, the custom size, basically the width and height. You can select that and then click on next, but I'm going to leave it on the standard for now. As that, you also have the limited, which is the private, which is for free, but of course you don't have the commercial use and watermark is there. So if you don't want the watermark, choose the plus and you can basically get that. Now click on next here, guys, and from here you can choose if you want a repeat or you want to use or whichever FPS you want. You can do 60, you can do 30, and I'm gonna leave it on 30 because it's absolutely free. I don't need to pay extra 40 here. Then click on export, and it's gonna take a few seconds to export my animation. Now once it is done, click on download. It's gonna take a few seconds to download, guys, and you have your video. So let me play it. And that's what it looks like, guys, on my computer. How amazing is that? I really hope you like that, guys. Now, guys, I really hope you found this video useful, and if you do, I really appreciate if you take a moment to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and on top of that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you found value within this video and within this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.